I put corn and chop the shrimp tofu, carrots and cabbage because I don't have enough so I put the cabbage.
It's healthy soup.
So I put the cornstarch and egg.
Oh, it's diluted cornstarch powder.
The powder. And
To make it thick.
So boil and then you put the cornstarch and last one you put egg and onion, green onion. I don't want to overcook the shrimp.
What can I call this soup in Taiwanese?
Egg drop soup.
Oh, egg
Maybe.
drop soup.
Yeah.
Also, at the end you need to add egg.
我在弄了嘛。现在把它弄热，现在把它弄热。
やばいやばい。Can I make this soup? I didn't put the cabbage.
You can put some vegetable.
Yeah, spinach before.
Napa will be more soft. Cabbage is more harder.
That's why you cut into very thin.
Put a little bit.
White pepper?
You can put a little bit soy sauce for color, not white.
Just a little bit.
But I put some vinegar.
Black vinegar.
So it will be more taste. Strong.
I like black vinegar. Paul doesn't like much. So. But I think classic recipe add black vinegar for this soup.
Yeah, for soup, very good. I like it. And
Yeah, look very
and then
good.
you put this one.
Look beautiful.
随便你先放着，我现在没有空啊。
ふんわり、ふんわり。
不要担心，妈妈先太长了。
おいしそう。ふわふわ。
So you have some shrimp tofu.
Shrimp.
But I forgot to put the